Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. It's been quite a while, guys. It's been quite a while since I've been back on YouTube. I got kind of locked out too. I had to figure out how to reauthorize my YouTube channel as far as my screencast, as far as I use to record. As you can see, I am in a buy on CAD, Swiss franc. My entry was 69.50. Y'all see my TP and stop loss. I'm up $18. I did 0.08, which is 80 cents. So y'all, I built a strategy. I had to go underground and rebuild. Do some tweaking. I had to do some tweaking to the strategy. No longer doing binary options right now. Just a high level of far as it's a high level of risk and just entry techniques that you need to use and far as NADEX go. So I'm just kind of falling back on NADEX and I'm just going to concentrate more on forex. I may get back into it later on down the line, but right now I'm gonna focus on forex. FX, I'm gonna bring FX Moolah back out, roll that back out. I'm gonna actually roll that once I get a chance. I'm gonna roll that out, full website. You can get education there and signal there. More likely to be $100 a month, but the signals are gonna be excellent. It'll be similar to this one. Got a few trades that won already, as y'all can see. These are my last couple of trades I did. As far as my account goes, this is a demo account. I'm going to be off the demo account in a few weeks. Just had to work on technique on entry and work some kinks out. Because one thing about it, I'm trying to make sure that I trade at a high percentile. So I'm trying to be above 70%. Really, I'm trying to be in the 80s. To be honest with you, but right now, the trade's kind of retracing back a little bit. I'm not worried about it. I'm in this trade for a while. I'm more likely I'm end up holding this trade for until next week. TP's up there. So I'm end up making 65 bucks. I'm getting 75 pips off this trade. So it's going to take its time to get to that level. So I'm just going to wait it out. It's almost 1-to-1. Almost 1-to-1, $64, $65. That's 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So just coming back, y'all. Just let y'all know I'm back. It's been a while. Some of my subscribers, I know y'all came in and was, looking at a few things, but I'm back. I'll be putting out some more content. You know me, I like to look at the charts. Y'all know I like to put in trades, things of that nature. I'm not like the other YouTubers where they got this splashy, screen thing going on and all that good stuff. I'm just plain Jane. I may get to that point, but right now I'm just keeping it plain. But that was my little update, and I'm checking out, y'all.